Hello and welcome to our WordPress tutorial today. Today I'm going to talk about adding Google Analytics to your WordPress website. If you want to track who's going to your website and how many people are, and a lot of other detailed data, Google Analytics is very important to add to your WordPress website. So what I'm going to start to do, or what I'm going to have you do, is you log into your website and then go here to the menu, click plugins, and then search for Google Analytics, and then you just search it, and then you'll get this search result here. It is the first one here, at least on my screen it is, Google Analytics. What you're going to do is install it now, and then you're just going to go to your settings after it's installed here, and then you'll look for it here, Google Analytics, right? And then what it's going to do is it's wanting your Google Analytics code, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to create a Google Analytics account, and it will ask you to add a website to your Google Analytics here. And then you're just going to get the number. It is the UA number here, and you're just going to copy it and paste it, and then it's going to put it in all of your web pages so that all of them are tracked. And here, this is kind of what Google Analytics looks like. It shows a day-to-day basis of how many people are going to your site, and then if you go down here, it tells me that so far 1,497 people has visited this website. 1609 visits, unique visits 1497, which is that, so looks like people are going back to it. Look, 3,489 page views, average visit duration 156. It just gives you lots of data, right? You can see the country and territory. Actually, let's go up here. So you look at the demographics. You can look at the overview, which is probably the best one. So age 18 to 24 and 25 to 34 are my two biggest ones on this website. You can look at interests, overview of that, and in detailed stuff. Let's look at locations. So it'll show me a map here. Looks like everyone in the world, except for this part here. They're going to it, but looks like most of it is in the United States. So then you can click on that and see the states that are going to it. So California is this biggest one in the states, and then Texas and New York. But Google Analytics is important to have, especially when you're starting to do SEO stuff. You'll be able to look at the keywords that people are finding your site with, which is really nice. I can check the real time, see if how many people are on my site right now, which 0 is. But Google Analytics is important to link up to your WordPress, so make sure you do that. And once you do, you can be able to track it through Google Analytics. And if you have any questions, just write a comment, or you can contact me through WordPress TrainingEssentials.com through the contact page.